So you just bought your Sonos home theater system, you connect them all up using the Sonos app, you updated the firmware update, you did the Trueplay and it doesn't sound good. What should you do? In the instructions of Trueplay, it tells you to put your phone in front of you like so. Don't do it that way. You should always calibrate from the point of where your ears are. So my suggestion is to push your head as back as possible and put the screen in front of you just like this. I have tested this method in more than 20 Sonos home theater systems, and I consistently get a better result, better envelopment in the sound reproduction. This also goes with the second part of the Trueplay where you have to walk around the room. Don't. You don't walk around when you're watching a movie. So for the second part of Trueplay, just move the phone up and down in the area where you are sitting and not the entire room. And to enhance the sound quality even better, I recommend you to up the treble by 2 notches, add 1 notch for the subwoofer level, and 5 notches for the height audio. Leave the rest as is. Now you're ready to roll. I hope this extremely quick tutorial can help you in improving your Sonos Trueplay tuning. Please share your thoughts in the comments down below and don't forget to click like, share and subscribe to my channel as it will help my channel quite a lot. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.
Good girl.